Hello my dear English learners, I welcome you all for my challenge, especially today is day 8. How many of you have remembered that we have started our 100 days spoken English challenge? Please forgive me because I disappeared for past 1 month. I could not upload any videos on my channel regarding our challenge, right? So yes, I felt guilty as well. Today itself we are going to restart our spoken English challenge. So today is day 8. We all know that we have so many works in our life. When it comes to the part of time management also, the time is not sufficient for us. Even though we have 24 hours in a day, we did not find that we have sufficient time in our life, especially in a day. Am I right? See, we have totally 24 hours. When it comes to my side, I am a student. Being a student, it is very hard for me to manage the time to what? To learn English, to improvise my English. Now we only have solid 5 months in our hand. So in this 5 months, if you are ready to be consistent, if you are ready to follow this morning routine in your daily life without fail, definitely you are gonna be fluent in English. You can see the improvement. You are going to elevate your English. So without wasting your precious time, let's see. Currently I am living alone. I am living in a rent home and I have to do my higher education. I want to manage everything: cooking, household chores, work, washing, doing laundry works and every part of my homework. Simultaneously, I want to concentrate on learning part of the English and shooting, editing, uploading videos, because hereafter I am going to restart my YouTube journey and English journey, everything at a time, right? In this video I am going to share my morning routine. Definitely morning routines are really important, because when it comes to the part of morning time, it's really precious for us. Once we had the sleep, tight sleep or restful or peaceful sleep, definitely when it comes to the morning time we feel refreshed. First we are going to talk about the important first morning routine. Is once you wake up, you have to do this must. What is that? Which is called meditation. I know that you might be feeling boring. Oh my god, meditation, what is that? What can I do for the meditation like that, right? Don't worry, I will explain you how you could follow, how you could do meditation. See, here meditation not only for your English, not only for your English level or English improvement, simultaneously it is also for your personality development, your mindfulness. First you have to do meditation for just 5 minutes. Start with simple, okay? 5 minutes is enough. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Start with this quote like, thank you for this beautiful day. You can talk with God or universe, whatever it is. You can talk with your favorite God, or you can talk with the universe also. Start with your gratefulness. Express your gratitude for the universe. Thank you universe for this beautiful day. I am so lucky. Like that you can start. After that, what you should do? You should give the positive affirmation. You can talk to yourself, especially why I recommend you to do meditation, especially for English learning, is the self-talk. Self-talk means nothing but you are going to talk to yourself in a positive way. See, as we are an English learner, we are facing so many negativity. If you ask me, I can say a lot of things are there. Still now, I have been facing the criticizing things from others. See, whatever you do, if you are a beginner who are going to start your English journey today itself, or if you are an intermediate level learner who have been learning this English language for a year, people are waiting there to mock at you, to pull your legs down. So what should you do in that time? Just ignore them. First you have to talk to yourself. Self-talk is really crucial here, because English is the second language that we are learning. So we know that we make a lot of mistakes. When we speak up, we forgot every word. So we might face a lot of things, difficulties, obstacles when we try to speak in English. So self-talk is going to motivate you. Self-talk is going to help you to be fluent in English, because there is no one is going to motivate you every day or every minute or every second except you and yourself. So how really important it is. So self talk is really crucial. You want to train yourself, you want to talk to yourself a positive, beautiful and enchanting, enthusiastic words which helps you to be motivated, especially self motivated to learn English. Okay, you want to talk to yourself in a positive way. Self talk is important. How should you speak to yourself, or how should you talk to yourself? For that you have to use affirmation. Affirmation is positive words that you are talking to yourself, especially to tune your subconscious mind. Okay, affirmations are really important because I've been following that. When I started my English journey, I was completely messed up. I did not know what to do next also, because I was an underconfident girl. I had an inferiority complex. I usually compared my English with others. After that, once I started to follow these kind of things, I get some amount of confidence in myself, but currently the confidence level is highest in a peak. The confidence level is in highest peak. So I never ever degrade myself. I never ever worry to make mistakes also. Do positive talk, do self talk especially. Affirmation will help you to give the confidence, so it will help you to gain the confidence within yourself. This is the first morning routine that you should follow in order to improve your English fluency. Next, we are going to see about the second powerful morning routine, which is writing. I know that writing is not a piece of cake, or writing is not your cup of tea to do that. If you are very new to follow writing, to develop the writing habit in your life, let me explain it and I will guide you what to do, how to start and how to develop writing. That will be going to helpful for your English journey as well. First, see here, writing. Plan your day. Once you completed the meditation part, once you do the affirmation, see, I'll do the meditation and express my gratitude, and I just do the self talk to myself also. And I do one important thing. What is that? Which is mirror talk. I already mentioned you, right? Do affirmations. I just stand in front of the mirror and just receive the affirmation. Affirmation is nothing but positive words. See, in front of me there is a mobile, right? I am going to do the affirmation. Hey Priya, you are so lucky that you are learning English today. You are so confident. Don't worry about your mistakes. Even native speakers also make mistakes. Why do you worry about your mistakes part? You have a beautiful voice, you have a confident, so you are so confident, you are a confident girl. I really love the way you speak. I really love the way you are putting effort in order to improve your English fluency, all by alone, at home especially. Like that you can speak whatever the things, the time, it's based on your state of mind as it is, right? You have to do the affirmation in front of the mirror also. It's optional because I'll be doing this. Because I'm doing this, so that's why I recommend you. The next one is writing. What could you write? You have this question in your mind, right? Let me clear that, which is plan your day. What is mean by plan your day? Once you complete the meditation, always place the notebook where you are doing the meditation or in front of you while you are doing meditation. Once you completed the meditation part, just open the notebook, plan your day, which means you can write or express gratitude, or you can also write the to-do list. What are the things you have to do in that particular day? So plan your day is important, and more specific part is you have to write that in English. Okay, here you are not only going to improve your English, simultaneously you are going to plan your day, you are going to manage your time, you are going to improve your productive day and personality also. So this is one of the crucial powerful habit that you should follow in the morning time. The third one is listening. Once you completed these two things, after that if you are a homemaker, student, office going person, definitely you have to do some household works or you have to do your office work, anything. If you are a student, you want to prepare for your examination, you want to do your homeworks, in that time what should you do? Once you complete all the things, after that you do some works, right? You walk, anything you will do. Being a student, I want to cook for myself because I'm just staying alone here, so I do my cooking, I do dishwashing and laundry work, sweeping the floor, sweeping the house, sweeping my room, unfolding my clothes. At that particular time, I usually listen something in English, whatever it is, but I listen. I must listen every morning, especially at the time. You can notice that we are not able to do the active listening part, but we can do the passive listening part. So you just do listening at least for 10 minutes, okay? Simultaneously you are going to do your work itself. Last but not the least is, yes, before the step you listen something. In case if you come across any new words or any new expression or idiom, just take your note and note down the new words and try to find out the meaning, and try to make an example sentence, especially own example sentence. So it is also a powerful habit. And if you have any time in that particular day, when it comes to me, I do not have that much of sufficient time to do this method. In case if you have, you can do this, which is active listening. Active listening means you have to give your full attention to the listening part. When I introduce this powerful method listening, here you are not doing active listening, you are doing passive listening, because you are listening and at the same time you are doing some work, some household chores, cooking, anything. So that comes under the passive listening. Active listening means you have to give your full attention to the videos or something that you are listening. That is comes under active listening. In case if you have a time, we can do it. That's it guys. These are the 3 steps that you should follow in the morning every single day in order to improve your English fluency in this busy schedule. This morning routine is for a busy bees as like me. If you do not have a separate time to do that, just invest half an hour. It's only consume half an hour in the morning. So it is really easy, right? Just spend half an hour for these steps. Simultaneously you do all your works. So you are going to do everything, right? So this is the method, this is the powerful habits that I have been following nowadays in order to elevate my English. So I just recommend you to do this, because nowadays people are literally busy. They do not find sufficient time in order to learn English separately. So that's why I introduced this method. Just follow this. Definitely you are going to crack this and you are going to see the improvement. Follow this morning routine for next 5 months. Yes guys, 5 months. That's it guys. This is our day 8 of our challenge. Just try to inculcate these kind of things in your morning routines, and I'll come up with another video very soon. Till then you take care. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Bye bye. Take care.